So good afternoon everyone and welcome to my flipped classroom. It's lesson 12 on our vocabulary words and so our first word is going to be gosh. Let's go and jot that down. The definition: lacking social grace. Antonym, or rather synonym first, unsophisticated. Antonym, classy or refined. Sentence: my mother-in-law's formal manners always make me feel gauche. Wonderful, let's move to number 2. Sentence, or rather word, I have to move myself. Number 2, zenith. Definition: the top of a trajectory, the highest point. Synonym: peak, apex. Antonym: low or bottom. Sentence: the missile reached its zenith and then fell on its target. Word number 3, futile. Definition: incapable of producing any result. Synonym: let's have a look. Useless. Antonym: effective. Sentence: with a 17% in the class, any efforts to pass the final exam would be futile. Let's move on. Our word number 4, ruminate. Definition: to think deeply. Synonym: ponder. Antonym: ignore. Sentence: the professor asked us to ruminate on the nature of human existence. And our word of today is number 5, acrimony. Definition: tense bitterness in relationship. Synonym: tension, drama. Antonym: harmony, peace. And our sentence is: the acrimony of my parents' divorce was impossible to hide. Wonderful, I will see you tomorrow and I hope you memorize all those words, and I will see you during the quiz time. Bye-bye.